Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Temu as a dropshipping supplier. Let's get started. First, research products carefully. Search for popular, trending, and lightweight products. Favor listing with 4.5 reviews, clear product image, and customer uploaded photos. Avoid fragile items or electronics used unless reviews are excellent. And test the product yourself. Order samples before selling. Check quality, shipping speed, packaging, actual products match to listing. This reduces refund requests and bad reviews later. Use your own product photos or edited ones. Set your own pricing to include product cost, shipping buffer, and profit margins. Temu prices change often, so regularly monitor product costs to avoid pricing error. And lastly, when a customer orders from your shop, go to Temu and place the order to your customer's address. Use their name, phone, and address during checkout. Temu packaging may include branding, so some customers might find out you're using a third party. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.